Hey everyone, this is Scott from Photocrati. Today I want to show you how you can add some iPhone photographs to your website very easily with NextGEN Gallery. So the first thing you have to do is you want to create a separate user account in your WordPress backend that is specific for NextGEN Gallery. The reason I say this is because you're basically giving an iPhone app credentials to your WordPress, and it's going to have administrator rights. So instead of giving them the one that you use for yourself, give the app a specific one to it. That way, if, worst case scenario, something ever happened, you lost your phone or whatever, you can just wipe out that account without having to do anything else to your own account. So as you can see here, I'm in a WordPress backend, and I'm going to add a username NGG for NextGen Gallery, an email address, put in the password, set it as administrator, create the new account, and I'm done. Now the next thing to do is create yourself a page or a post or whatever you're doing with your iPhone photos, and you're going to put the gallery that you've just create a gallery for an iPhoneography or whatever you want to call it in NextGen Gallery. It can be empty because you're about to fill it, and just put it on a page or however you plan on doing this. The next thing to do is you're going to use an iPhone app called NextGen. So I'm going to launch the iPhone and show you what I'm talking about. So let's take a look at the NextGen Gallery iPhone app. Now this is not designed by us. However, it is very cool, very cool app. So as you can see here, we open it up, and I've already got my website in here, but we're going to add the test site that we are trying to work with here. And then after you put in the domain, put in the username and your password. Hit save. It's going to verify that NextGen is installed. So now we have added the Photocrati screencasting site to the app. We're going to go into that one, and you'll see here, let's go in to the site and then into that iPhoneography gallery that I made before starting this video. Then on the bottom left, we're going to click the little menu icon and add an image. So I'm going to add this photo. And then once that's done, I'll add a second photo and show you that it's actually super easy to add photos. And you can't do batch photos. You never know. The developer might add this in the future. But right now, you can only add one at a time. And as you can see, it's showing you the file name, the dimensions of the photo. But I'm going to show you something that's pretty cool, that what you can do after it's been uploaded. So if you click on the photo, click on the menu again and hit edit image, now you can actually change the title of the photo. So I'm going to call it Ringo. It's the name of my cat. And call it Ringo the cat. And then below that, you can actually exclude it from the gallery, and it'll show you a preview of the image. And then I'm going to hit save. It's going to change. And then again, if I wanted to, I could do that here as well. And then on this button on the bottom right is actually a refresh button. So let's go back. So now you see that I've got two photos in the iPhoneography gallery. You can actually go now and add a new gallery or delete a gallery, or you can copy gallery tags. So I'm not going to do any of that, but that's just so you can see. Then of course you can refresh what galleries are there as well. So again, super easy. Go into galleries. Go into the actual gallery of your iPhone photos or whatever, and add photos. Super easy to add iPhone photos to your website using NextGen Gallery. So now that's done, let's take a look at the website. So here we are. Here is before I added any photos. Now I'm going to refresh and watch. Literally 2 photos in a NextGen Gallery that I shot with my iPhone. I didn't have to go through Instagram. I didn't have to go through any other app except going right to my website. So that's pretty cool. I'm digging it. So now I want to show you, in another video, I'm going to show you a different app that can also be useful for managing and your NextGEN galleries from your iPhone. Stay tuned.